In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file in Canva. We will walk through each click together so your screen matches mine and your file ends up exactly where you want it in your design. First, open your Canva design. If you are already on the Canva homepage, click into the design you want to work on so it opens in the main editor. You will know you are in the right place when you see your page in the center and the toolbar along the top. If you have multiple pages, they appear as smaller thumbnails below or beside the main page. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct design before moving on, especially if you often work on similar templates. Once that is ready, click Uploads on the left side. On the left panel, you will see several options like templates, elements, and text. Look for the one labeled Uploads, usually with a little cloud and arrow icon. When you click it, the panel will switch to show your existing uploaded images, videos, or other files in a grid. If you have never uploaded anything before, this area may look mostly empty, with a prompt encouraging you to upload media. Now click Upload Files. In the Uploads panel, you will see a button that says Upload Files. Click that button and your computer file browser will appear in front of Canva. At this stage, Canva is waiting for you to tell it exactly which item you want to bring into your design. This method works the same on most browsers, so what you see now is controlled by your operating system, not Canva. Next, select the file from your computer. Browse to the folder where you stored your image, video, audio, or document that you want in Canva. Click once on the file name to highlight it, then confirm the choice by clicking the Open button in the file window. A quick tip here, beginners sometimes double-click and then wonder what happened, but that also works. It just closes the file browser immediately and sends the file to Canva. After that, wait for it to finish uploading. Back in Canva, you will see a small thumbnail of your new file appear under Uploads, often with a circular progress indicator over it. Larger images and videos can take several seconds, especially on slower internet connections. Do not click away or reload the page during this time, because that can interrupt the upload and force you to start again. You will know it is done when the progress indicator disappears and the thumbnail looks clear and ready. With the upload complete, click the uploaded file to add it to your design. As soon as you click, Canva places the file right onto your current page, usually in the center. You will see selection handles around it so you can resize, rotate, or move it wherever it fits best. If it covers something, you can drag it to another spot or adjust the corners to scale it down. You have now successfully uploaded a file from your computer and placed it into your Canva design, ready to edit and arrange however you like. If this helped you get your file into Canva, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Canva walkthroughs.